Welcome to our channel. So today in this video we are going to show you a sample of stationery organizer made by waste material. This is an organizer made by a wedding card and a box. It consists of three parts. This is the first part, which is being divided into a diagonal half. This is the second part, which has been divided into three parts. This is the third part, which has two floors. This is the upper floor. Below this, we have a sliding drawer. And here, below the sliding drawer, we have a secret space. This is a simple drawer where you can keep your other materials. Thanks for watching our channel. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel Art and Craft Games and Movies.